Hello everyone, welcome to K Math CXC. My name is Kay and we'll be doing some CXC questions. Now on your CXC exam, they usually have either fractions or decimal questions first. So I thought today we'd look at some fractions questions just to get you started. So given the fraction 1 and 1 over 7 minus 3 over 4, all divided by 2.5 multiplied by 1 over 5. So given this fraction, you can do the top part first, put a division sign, and then work out the bottom part. So for the top part, change this out to an improper fraction. So it's 7 times 1, which is 7, plus this 1 at the top, give you what, 8? So that's 8 over 7 minus 3 over 4. There's nothing to change there, so you can just put that back. And all of that is being divided by 2 times 2 is 4, plus this 1 at the top, that's a 5. So that's a 5 over 2 times 1 over 5. All right. Now, when we have addition or subtraction, we need to have our fractions having the same denominator. So this is a 7, this is a 4. We look for something called LCM, and that's just the lowest number that both 7 and 4 can go into. So 7 and 4 can go into 28, right? So we make something called an equivalent fraction now. We say 7 into 28 goes 4 times. So that's 4 times 8, 32. Put back the sign that was right here, it was a minus sign. And then 4 into 28 goes 7 times. So now it's 3 times 7, so that's what, 21. Over on this side, there is no addition or subtraction, so we don't need to find LCM. We can just multiply across unless we see something that we can cancel. In this case, there's a 5 here and there's a 5 here. So we can cancel those. And when we cancel those, we have 1 times 1 at the top. So that's a 1. We have 2 times 1 at the bottom. So that's a 2. So that's half, right? Tidying this up a bit. This is 32 minus 21. That's 11. That's 11 over 28. And when we're dividing, we change the sign. We keep the first fraction, change the sign, and then we reciprocate or flip the second fraction. So, but let's rewrite it. Let's say we haven't changed the sign as yet. Let's write it out first. So this 11 over 28 is from this working out. We keep that sign there and we still have the fraction. Up here now, I will keep the first fraction. So 11 over 28. I will change the sign. So division sign, change the multiplication, and I will flip this fraction here or reciprocate it. So it becomes 2 over 1 instead. From there, look and see if anything can cancel. This 2 looks like it can go into this 28 14 times. So the final answer for this is 11 times 1, 11. And then 14 times 1 is 14. We can't do anything further because 14, we cannot say 14 into 11. We just stop here. That's the final answer. So this is a good question because you were able to subtract, multiply, and divide in the same question. So that's very good. All right, trying another question now. Given 2 and 2 over 5 minus 1 and 1 over 3 plus 3 and a half. They want us to calculate this, right? I recommend that you change these mixed numbers to improper fraction. So it is 5 times 2, 10, plus 2, 12. So that will be 12 over 5 minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus this 1 at the top is 4. That's 4 over 3 plus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 7 over 2. All right, we're subtracting, we're adding. It means we need all of our fractions to have the same denominator. So we're thinking of a number that 5, 3, and 2 can go into. If it was just 5 and 3, it would be 15, but there's a 2 here, so 30. Lowest number is 30. And we say 5 into 30 goes 6 times. 6 times 12 is 72. Minus 3 into 30 goes 10 times. 4 times 10 is 40. Plus 2 into 30 goes 15 times. 7 times 15 should be 105. So from there, you can just work it out. 72 minus 40, and then add 105. So that's 72 minus 40 is 32 plus 105, 137 over 30. You can leave it there, or you can write your answer as a mixed number. So as a mixed number, it would be 30 into 137 goes 4 times. Remainder 17. Remainder 17 over 30. All right. So please let me know which other topic you would like to see. Please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.